Good morning student. Today class we are discuss about unit number 2 integral calculus 1 exercise 2.8. Question number 3. So integrate the following functions with respect to x. Integral over 1 to 2 x into dx divided by x square plus 1. Integral over 1 to 2 x into dx divided by x square plus 1. Here we are finding out the solution for the integral over 1 to 2 x into dx divided by x square plus 1. So we know the one properties. Integral of f dash of x divided by f of x into dx equal to log modulus of f of x. Integral over f dash of x divided by f of x into dx equal to log modulus of f of x. So denominator one function is given. The derivative of the given function is f dash of x. Derivative, that is for to find out the differentiation. So f of x, f dash of x, it is in the numerator, means we can write for log modulus of f of x. So here x square. So given problem in the denominator is x square. Derivative for x square is 2x. Next one, derivative for 1 is 0. So derivative for x square is 2x, but in the numerator is only x only is there. What is the derivative for x square? 2x, but in the numerator only x. So multiply and divided by 2 by 2. So I am multiplying divided by 2 by 2. I am using this properties. Integral of f dash of x divided by f of x into dx equal to log modulus of f of x. So I am find out the derivative for this given function. Derivative for x square is 2x, but is the numerator only x only is there. So I need the value for 2. So multiply and divided by 2 by 2. Integral over 1 to 2 x into dx divided by x square plus 1. So multiply this to 2x into dx, 2 into x square plus 1. So 1 by 2. So now find out the derivative for this function. Derivative for x square is 2x. Derivative for 1 is 0. So derivative for x square 2x. It is in the numerator. So this the integral value is log modulus of f of x. So the limit value is here 1 to 2. So log modulus of x square plus 1. Denominator, this is f of x. This is for f dash of x. Denominator function is f of x. Log denominator value is f of x. So log modulus of x square plus 1. Limit value is 1 to 2. So 1 by 2. Now apply the limit value. Upper limit is 2, lower limit is 1. Upper limit is 2, lower limit is 1. Log modulus of 2 square plus 1 minus the place of x, replace the value for 2. Log modulus of 2 square plus 1 minus log modulus of, in the place of x, substitute the value for 1. 1 square plus 1. 1 by 2. Log 2 square value is 4 plus 1. Log modulus of 4 plus 1 minus log 1 plus 1. So log 4 plus 1 is 5, log 5 minus log 1 plus 1 is log 2. Log 2. So it is in the form of log a minus log b. Log a minus log b equal to log a minus log b equal to log a by b. Log a minus log b equal to log a by b. So here log 5 minus log 2, it can be written as log 5 by 2. 1 by 2 into log 5 by 2. Next question. Problem number 4. Integral of 0 to 3 e power x into dx divided by 1 plus e power x. Integral over 0 to 3 e power x into dx 1 plus e power x. So solution to find out the given problem. So same property I am applying here. So what is the value for integral over f dash of x divided by f of x into dx equal to log modulus of f of x. Log modulus of f of x. So what is the function here? Denominator 1 plus e power x. This is f of x. Derivative for 1 is 0. E power x. Derivative for e power x is e power x only. Derivative for e power x is e power x. Differentiation for the given function of e power x is e power x only. So we can easily write for log modulus of, what is the denominator? 1 plus e power x. Log modulus of 1 plus e power x. 0 to 3. 0 to 3. So next one, apply the upper limit and lower limit. Upper limit minus lower limit. So log of upper limit value is 3. 1 plus e power 3 minus log of 1 plus e power 0. 1 plus e power 3 minus log of 1 plus e power 0 value is 1. Log of 1 plus e power 3 minus log of 1 plus 1 is 2. Log 2. So log of 1 plus e power 3 divided by 2. So log a minus log b. Log a minus log b equal to what? Log a by b. A value is 1 plus e power 3 divided by 2. Question number 5. Integral of 0 to 1 x into e power x square into dx. Integral over 0 to 1 x into e power x square into dx. So find out the solution for integral of 0 to 1 x into e power x square into dx. So we are find out the value for the integral value for the 0 to 1 x into e power x square. We are using the substitution method here. So I am taking e power x square here. E power x square, I am taking this term as t. T equal to x square. T equal to x square. So find out the derivative for dt by dx. Differentiation with respect to x is dt by dx equal to, derivative for x square is 2x. So I am bringing the 2 in the denominator here. Dt by 2 equal to x into dx. X into dx. T equal to, I am choosing this value, t equal to what? T equal to x square. Find out the derivative with respect to x. Dt by dx equal to x square can be written as, derivative for x square is 2x. So dt by 2 equal to x into dx. Now find out the limit values. What are the values are given here? 0 and 1. The given function is in term of x dx. So x. So what is the limit? 0 and 1. We are converted into t. Put the place of x 0, t also 0. In the place of 1 square, t equal to 1 only. X is equal to 0. T also 0. X is equal to 1. T also 1. So dt by 2 equal to x into dx. So integral over 0 to 1 x into e power x square into dx equal to integral over 0 to 1 this e power x square only e power t. E power x square value is e power t. And x into dx, x into dx is dt by 2. E power t, x into dx, what is the value? dt by 2. We are substituting value for t equal to x square and x into dx equal to dt by 2 in both the values in this question. So here e power t, because t value is x square, so e power t. So remaining term, what are the term? x into dx. X into dx equal to what? dt by 2. So dt by 2. So I am taking this 1 by 2. Common out 1 by 2 integral over 0 to 1 e power t into dt. 1 by 2 integral values for the e power t is e power t only. Integral value of e power t is e power t. And limit value is 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Now what is upper limit? Upper limit is 1. Lower limit is 0. 1 by 2, upper limit is 1, e power 1 minus e power 0. E power 1 minus e power 0. E power 1 value is e minus e power 0. This e power 0 value is 1. E power 0, a power 0, 2 power 0 value is 1. So e power 0 value is 1. So 1 by 2 e minus 1. And we get the value for 1 by 2 e minus 1. Next question. Question number 6. Integral of 1 to e dx divided by x into 1 plus log x power 3. So we are choosing the value for let 1 plus log x. I am using the once again for substitution method. Let 1 plus log x equal to t. So derivative for 1 is 0. Derivative for log x is 1 by x. T, derivative for t is dt by dx. Dt by dx. I am choosing this value is t. 1 plus log x equal to t. Now find out the derivative for this given function. Derivative for 1 is a constant term. So derivative for constant term is 0. Derivative for log x is 1 by x. Derivative for 1 is 0. Derivative for log x is 1 by x equal to dt by dx. So bring the term dx by x equal to dt. So I am bring the term this here. Denominator, what is the term here? Dx. Bring into the numerator dx by x equal to dt. So 1 plus log x equal to t and dx by x is equal to dt. And also you can find out the value for the limit value also. It is in the term of x, we are converted into t. So let x is equal to 1. What is the value? Lower limit is 1. So when x is equal to 1, what is the t value? I am choosing t equal to what? 1 plus log x. 1 plus log x. So 1 plus log x value is 1. 1 plus log 1 value is 0. Log 1 value is 0. 1 plus 0, 1. T equal to 1. Next, what is the value? Upper limit value? Here, e. Upper limit value is e. So x is equal to e. X is equal to e. T equal to 1 plus log x. 1 plus log x. The place of x, substitute the value for e. 1 plus log e. Log e value. Log e value is 1. Log 1 value is 0. Log e value is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. T equal to 2. Now substitute here in this question. So we get the value for when x is equal to 1, t equal to 1 only. X is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. T also 1. And x is equal to e and t equal to 2. X is equal to e, t equal to 2. So what is the upper limit and lower limit? 1 and 2. Lower limit is 1 and upper limit is 2. Next one. So what is given here? Dx divided by x. Dx divided by x is dt. Divided by this term only what? We are choosing the value for t. So t cube. This value is t cube. Dx by x is dt. Substitute. 1 plus log x equal to t and dx by x equal to dt in this given questions. So finally we get value for integral over 1 to 2 dt by t cube. dt by t cube. So limit value is 1 to 2 t power minus 3 into dt. 1 to 2 t power minus 3 into dt. t power minus 3 into dt. Now find out the integral value for the t power minus 3. So t power minus 3, we get value for integrated value x to the power n, x to the power n, integral of x to the power n into dx equal to x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. We know the formulas, substitute this value. So n value here minus 3. Minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1. So minus 3 plus 1 we get the value for t power minus 2 divided by minus 2. Lower limit and upper limit is 1 and 2. So bring this t power minus 2 in the denominator, 2 into t square and minus 1. This minus 1 by 2 t square. T power minus 2 here, bring this in denominator 1 by t square. This 2. Here minus only. Plus divided by minus we get for minus. So minus 1 by 2 t square. Now apply the upper limit and lower limit. Minus 1 divided by 2. In the place of t square, substitute the value for 2. 2 square minus upper limit minus lower limit value is, upper limit value is 2, lower limit value is 1. Minus of minus 1 divided by 2 into 1. Upper limit value is 2, lower limit value is 1. So simplify this one, minus 1 by 2, 2 square value is 8, minus 1 by 8, minus into minus plus 1 by 2. So we are find out the LCM, multiply divided by here 8, here also we are converted into the form of 8. So multiply divided by 4, 4 here 4 2s are 8, 4 by 8. So denominator is same, 8 minus 1 plus 4, we get the value for 3 by 8. 3 by 8. Next question number 7. Integral over minus 1 to 1 2x plus 3 x square plus 3x plus 7 into dx. So it is in the form of integral over f dash of x divided by f of x into dx equal to log modulus of f of x. So what is the derivative for x square? 2x. Derivative for 3x is 3. So the given function, this is f of x, f dash of x in the numerator means we can write for log modulus of f of x. So you can directly write log modulus of x square plus 3x plus 7. The denominator given in the function is x square plus 3x plus 7. Limit is minus 1 to 1. Now apply the upper limit. In the place of x, substitute the value for 1. 1 square plus 3 into 1 plus 7. And next in the place of x, substitute the value for minus 1 minus log minus 1 the whole square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 7. 1, 3 and 7 minus log minus 1 square 1 minus 3 plus 7. So log 7 plus 3 11 minus so log modulus of 11 minus log modulus of 5. So log 11 minus log 5. Log a minus log b equal to log a by b. Log 11 by 5. Log 11 by 5. Thank you, student.